as you can see sa title, Get Ready With Me. Get Ready With Me. Bakit kaya? Kasi, panoorin niyo ako paano ako mag-ready pag nagmamadali.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say.
Nakasakay na ako ng Grab Prince at ayan na yung nangyari sa aking hair. Di na kailangan magpasalon.
Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over.
Alright!
Isn't it funny?
Nandito na kami sa City Mall! Imus, Cavite! Miss Prince, nag-flashback yung mga memories ko kasi nag-shoot na ako dito dati. Model ako dati ng City Mall.
I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny?
Mag-makeup na ako this month.
Marunong ka mo mag-ready?
Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny?
Ready ka na sa Chinese garter?
Hindi pa nga eh. Baka tumalon yung bilbil ka mamaya.
Hindi naman tayo mag-Chinese, sila naman. Ginukulbaan ko. Ginukulbaan! Kinakabahan ka din.
Kinakabahan yung kaba.
Ako din. May heart, may heart. Saan ba yung stage?
Hindi ko maalam eh.
Crisha Uy! Eto na naku, may gagawin tayong challenge. Gusto nyo ba yun?
Gusto namin yun.
At dahil dyan, sige, syempre kailangan natin ng mga participants. Pwede ba kayo na yung mamili?
Give me some.
Hello, kamusta?
Ayan, sige, kilalanin muna natin.
Give me some. Give me up, please tell me if it's good or that's wrong.
Yes, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa inyo, Miss Prince, for coming. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Sa mga mahilig sa pagkain, manood kayo sa Kapinday Show. Salamat kayo! Salamat! Thank you! Papunta na kami sa lagay na vlogger na po si Dayan.
Go! Laban!
Kuya Boy. Pam. Ano yung Pam? Hello. Thank you kay Kimi! And nagpa-deliver kami sa Chowking. So, ito yung kwento, Bisprin. May lalaki sa elevator. Nakasuot siya ng Chowking. Hawak-hawak niya yung delivery. Sabi ko talaga kay Zel, Zel, anong gusto mo kainin, Zel? Chowking, McDo. Chowking. Kasi tayo, makakain na kami, Bisprin. Kaya mag-thank you lang ako sa inyo na sa mga pumunta kanina. Salamat kaayo. And sa mga hindi nakapunta, pwede naman sa next time. Salamat kaayo!
Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video.